Hello, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO X109. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, enter Google Pay app and tap blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty card, gift card and transit. Firstly, let's enter loyalty card and select the card you would like to add to your Google Pay account. For example, Payback Poland. Now, you will be able to scan your card or enter card details manually. Tap Save and it's done. Now go back. Again tap blue button at the bottom of the screen and select gift card. Similar to loyalty card, select shop. And now enter card number, PIN, balance your notes and tap save. Last card you can add is public transport. If you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. And that's it. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.